Here we are. We've reached the end of stage 2 already. Well done. You're cruising. You've got like 6 chords now. That's really good. So let's just have a quick talk about your practice routine for stage 2. First thing you've got is chord work still, chord practice, which is your strum, pick out the notes individually and strum again. You've got now 6 chords that you could be working on. Make sure, and I say it every time we have a talk about the practice, but it's really important, practice what you can't do. Don't practice what you can. If you're finding a particular chord difficult, work extra hard on it. Don't just brush over it and do the ones that you can do okay. Then we've got the 1-minute changes. Now we've got 5 different types of 1-minute changes now. Now what I've got for you on the website is a suggested practice routine of 5 pairs of chords that I think are good ones to work on. But if you find one of those particular pairs really easy and another pair that I haven't put up on that list really difficult, then take out the one that's easy and put in the hard one. Again, practice what you can't do, don't practice what you can. Yeah? So that's just a suggested one with a few things to work on within that set that I gave you. Okay, the next thing we've got is either the songs or the chord sequences. So this time when you're practicing your songs or chord sequences, please make sure that you're tapping your foot along, keeping the downstrokes, because we're about to start talking about rhythm guitar in the next lesson. So please give that plenty of attention as well. Really trying to keep the strumming nice and even. Hopefully your chord changes are getting a little bit faster by now, so we're getting ready to start making kind of songs sound like songs really. And we've got an optional thing, which is if you're doing your Justin training exercises, which is your ear training development, then you would also be doing that as part of your beginner routine. And the last thing that I've got, which sounds like a funny one, but it's something I want you to get into the habit of, is tapping your foot whenever there's music on. Yeah, so every time you're out and you hear some music, get your foot tapping along. You know, if you're in public and you don't want to upset people, tap your toes inside your shoe, right? You ain't going to bother anyone. And it's really, really good for you to work on developing your sense of rhythm. So that's all of stage 2. Work really hard on that. Once you're kind of confident with all of those things, make sure you're memorizing your chords too. Don't go letting the chords like they only exist when you're looking at a piece of paper or looking at the website. Make sure all of those chords are locked firmly into your memory bank. Get all that stuff together, and then I'll see you for stage 3.